In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain in Softr. By the end, your Softr app will load on your own domain, and Softr will handle the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Start by opening your app in Softr Studio. Head to Settings, then Custom Domain. In the Domain field, type the address you want to use. If you want the main, or root, domain, enter it without any prefixes, like example.com. If you prefer a subdomain, enter something like app.example.com. Softr will automatically cover the matching www version when it's relevant, so you don't need to add that separately. Double-check spelling and avoid extra spaces. Small typos are a common reason connections fail. Next, you'll point your domain to Softr by updating DNS at your domain registrar or wherever your DNS is managed. Log in to that dashboard and open the DNS or zone settings. Softr shows the exact type of records and targets you need right next to the domain field you just filled. So use those values as your source of truth. If you're connecting a subdomain, you'll typically create a CNAME record for that subdomain pointing to the Softr-provided target. If you're connecting the root domain, your provider may require an alias, or ANAME record. Again, follow what Softr displays for your account. Remove or replace any old records for the same host that might conflict, such as previous APA, or CNAME entries. Keep the TTL at its default unless you know you need something different. If your DNS service offers a proxy or accelerated mode, consider turning it off while you're setting things up so Softr can verify the records cleanly. After saving those DNS changes, give the internet time to catch up. DNS can take up to 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide, though it often updates much faster. While you wait, avoid making repeated tweaks. Each change restarts the clock. You can monitor progress from Softr's custom domain section or with a public DNS checker to confirm that the new records are visible. Check both your root domain and the www or subdomain you set. Once the records are live, Softr will automatically verify the connection and issue an SSL certificate so your site loads securely over HTTPS. If it still doesn't connect after a day, revisit the DNS records for typos, duplicates, or conflicting entries, and make sure your name servers point to the provider where you edited DNS. That's all it takes to connect a custom domain in Softr. Publish your app, visit your domain in the browser, and you're good to go.